There is a new animation style pulling in millions of views right now, and it looks like it takes a full studio to produce, but it does not. Because one master prompt turns any topic into a complete papercut animation. The script, the voice, every single frame, and the music using free AI tools. And the best part, once the system is set up, you can produce these in bulk, almost completely on autopilot. Welcome to AIpreneur, and let us build it step by step. Step 1, build your animation engine. Everything in this workflow runs on one thing, a Claude master prompt. This is not a normal prompt you type once. It is a full system that walks you through every stage of production, one step at a time, so you never have to figure out what comes next. First, open Claude, start a new chat, and paste this master prompt in. Send that, and your engine is live. Now let us give it a story. Step 2, generate your script. Claude now asks what niche and topic you want. Pick anything: history, space, nature, sports, business, or technology. These animations work across every niche because the style carries the story. For this build, I am going with business, the rise of the shipping container industry. It has natural drama, clear stages, and it gives us strong visual beats. All of that looks incredible in layered paper. Send your topic, and it asks for a length. You can go anywhere from 30 seconds up to 5 minutes. These animations hold attention well, so longer storytelling formats genuinely work here. I am going with 1 minute to keep this build tight. What comes back is your full narration, written sentence by sentence and numbered. And that numbering is the whole point. Every single sentence is one visual beat, one sentence, one image, one animated clip. My 1 minute script gave me 24 beats. Copy the script into a doc and keep it open. You are going to work from it in the next 2 steps. Mistake to avoid: do not rewrite the script into flowing paragraphs. The one sentence per beat structure is what makes the rest of this workflow automatic. Break that and you break the system. The story is written. Now it needs a voice. Step 3, turn the script into a voice. Open ElevenLabs and go to text-to-speech. First thing, switch to the V3 model. That is what gives you the most natural, emotional output. And on a storytelling format like this, the voice carries everything. Pick a voice that fits your topic. For business documentary, calm and measured works. Now here is the part most tutorials skip. Do not paste your entire script in at once. Copy the first few sentences only, generate that chunk, listen to it, and download it. Then move to the next chunk. If you paste too much text in one go, the voice starts to drift and distort. Working in chunks keeps every line clean. Keep going until your whole script is voiced. Quick honest note: ElevenLabs Free gives you 10,000 characters a month, which is roughly 1 full video. If you are producing these in bulk, that is the real trade-off, and it is worth knowing before you build a schedule around this. You have a script and a voice. Now let us build the visuals. Step 4, generate every image prompt. Go back to your chat and type next. That one word triggers stage 4. Claude now takes every sentence in your script and converts it into a complete papercut image prompt, 1 per beat, numbered in order. 20 sentences, 20 prompts, a 5-minute script would give you well over 100. That is exactly why this is prompted as a bulk list instead of one at a time. Read through a couple of them. Each prompt describes one hero object, its background, the lighting, the color palette, and the layered paper construction. That consistency across every prompt is what makes the finished video look like one cohesive piece instead of 15 unrelated images. Copy the whole list. You are about to paste all of it at once. You have every frame written. Now let us generate them all in one go. Step 5, bulk generate the images. Open Google Flow and create a new project. In the prompt box, open the settings and select Nano Banana 2 as your image model. Then pick your aspect ratio 16:9 for long form, 9:16 if you are making shorts. Now, instead of pasting prompts one at a time, look for the agent option and select it. This is a separate mode built for exactly this, running a whole batch automatically. In the agent type, insert all scenes. Then paste your entire list of image prompts directly below that and hit send. The agent now generates every single frame, one after another, without you touching anything. 18 images or 118, it runs the same way. Leave it going and do something else. When it finishes, click the 3 dots on each image and rename them by beat number Scene 1, Scene 2, Scene 3, all the way through. Then download them in order. Mistake to avoid: do not skip the numbering. Your beats are in story order, and your edit depends on that order. Rename them now, and the edit takes minutes. Skip it, and you will be guessing later. Every frame exists. Now, let us bring them to life. Step 6, animate every scene. Go back to your chat and type, next. Stage 5 gives you the universal video prompt, one single animation prompt you apply to every image. Read what it actually does, because this is the part that makes the whole style work. It locks the camera completely, no zoom, no pan, no drift. Then, for the first 7 seconds, the scene assembles itself layer by layer, back to front, each paper piece sliding into place and settling with a tiny bounce. For the last 3 seconds, it becomes a living paper poster. Clouds drift, fabric moves, light shifts across the layers, and nothing else changes. That locked camera is the secret. Most AI video drifts and warps because the model is free to move. Lock it and you get clean, stable, handcrafted looking animation every time. Back in Google Flow, switch the video model, set your duration, and open the agent again. Type insert all scenes, then paste the video prompt paired with your numbered images, and send. The agent shows you the credit cost before it runs. Approve it and watch every scene animate automatically. Download your clips in order. Your visuals are done. Your animation exists. Now it's time to assemble everything in CapCut. Step 7, assemble everything in CapCut. Put every asset into one folder first: your voiceover files, your numbered clips, and your music track. Then open CapCut, create a new project, and import that single folder. Everything lands at once. Drag your music onto the timeline first and bring it down to around -20 decibels so it sits underneath everything else. Then bring in your voiceover files in order and push them up to around 10 decibels so the narration sits clearly on top. Now zoom into your timeline and start laying your clips above the voiceover in beat order. Because you numbered everything, clip 1 goes over sentence 1, clip 2 over sentence 2, straight through. Trim each clip so it lands exactly when its line is spoken. Once everything is synced, add a few transitions between beats. The blink transition works beautifully with papercut because it mimics a stop motion frame change. Then add a vignette effect and pull its intensity down to around 60%, so the edges darken just slightly and the paper texture pops. Preview it once from start to finish. Check your sync and pacing, and export in 1080p or 4K.
Before 1956, cargo moved one crate at a time. Dock workers hauled sacks, barrels, and boxes by hand. Ships sat in port for over a week. Trucking entrepreneurs...
That is a complete papercut animation built from one prompt using free tools. One prompt, one topic, one finished animation, and the same engine runs the next one and the one after that. Start with a 30-second video today. Pick a topic you actually find interesting, run the master prompt, and see what comes back. That first one teaches you more than any tutorial can. Drop papercut in the comments and tell me the topic you are starting with. I will reply with one beat idea that will look incredible in layered paper. And if you want to see how to produce 5 of these in a single session instead of 1, watch my bulk pipeline video next. Subscribe to AIpreneur, and I will see you in the next one.